how to download the free assets. Hi everyone, Dean from DSP3D here. Last week I sent out an email to everybody that's on my subscribers list with 4 free models that you can download. And I just want to quickly run through with you how we can download them and get them onto your computer, because I think a few people had a bit of an issue, so I thought I would just run through it very quickly on the computer and to show everybody. So when you get the download link, you should be able to click on a link to a Dropbox folder. So inside the Dropbox folder, we've got the email subscribers area, and in here are all the files that are currently there. So there's 4 free files out of 12. There's 8 more to come over the next 2 months. Now the easiest, quickest thing to do is just click this download button in the top corner. So click that once, and it'll download. So currently there are about 200 megabytes of files. So it shouldn't take that long if you've got a fast internet connection. Okay, great. So now everything's being downloaded. If we just click on the folder, by default mine goes to the downloads folder on the computer, and it's included in a zip file. Dropbox automatically puts everything to a zip file to make it quicker to download. And in here you'll see all the individual files, which are exactly the same as the ones on here. So you can either double click on these to open them up, or generally what you need to do is unpack this zip file. So if you right click and extract all, if you're on Windows, and click extract, it's going to create a new folder for you. There we go, and it's just opened up the downloads email subscribers thing, and then in here you can see all the files that have been downloaded. So in here we have image previews of the files that you can access. We've got the OBJ files, which are the ones that you want to send to your slicer software to 3D print. And for the characters, for 3D scan people, we have also got the mesh mixer support files. And if you have a look on one of the previous videos, it'll explain that a little bit more. That's just how you can scale things quite easily in mesh mixer to give them to whatever size you want. And it's also where I generate the supports for the characters. And that's it really. Everything you need should be in these files to download. But if you're having any issues, of course, just send me a direct message or email me back on that on the subscribers. I think it was info@designscanprint3d.co.uk, and we'll figure out any problems you might be having. But hopefully that clears everything up. Okay guys, until next time, take care. Cheers. Bye.